if you're experiencing connection errors on your Xbox Series X. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue easily. Follow these steps to disable the connection errors. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely and unplug it from the power source for about 10 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset the network connection. Step 2. Check network settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your console, then go to network. Check your network status and ensure that your console is connected to the internet. If not, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. If an update is available, download and install it to fix any bugs that may be causing connection issues. Step 4. Clear alternate MAC address. In the network settings, look for the option to clear the alternate MAC address. This can help resolve connectivity issues. After clearing it, restart your console to apply the changes. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Network Settings. Choose the option to reset your network settings, which will restore them to default and may fix the connection errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection errors on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.